In Chinese mythology, dragons are regarded as guardian creatures. They are symbolic of the gate or boundary that separates heaven and earth. Artist Chi-Jen Liu conveys the Taoist concept of yin and yang in his piece Dragon Couple. Yin and yang are the opposite yet complementary forces of nature. A dynamic balance is generated through their interaction. Yin is represented by the turbulent sea and stormy clouds. These watery elements are dark and cooling, which are characteristic of yin. In contrast, yang is represented by the shiny dragons and their aura of flames. They radiate brightness and warmth, which are properties of yang. The elements of water and fire meet in a symphony of brushstrokes. Chi-Jen Liu uses soft layers of ink wash to create an atmosphere of unbridled energies. With meticulous detail, he covers each dragon with a golden armor of Chinese coins to symbolize the blessing of heavenly wealth. Their spherical eyes suggest their ability to see in all directions and penetrate the opaque mist of dualistic nature. We hope you enjoyed Dragon Couple by Chi-Jen Liu. Thank you for watching.